discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Nissan Altima. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.